Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Armstrong. I thought I'd start off our introduction videos. I'll be your instructor for the next 8 weeks. I'm coming to you from rainy Columbus, Ohio. I did all of my education in the state of Ohio. I got my baccalaureate degree from Malone University in Canton, Ohio. I got my Master of Education from Ashland University in Ashland, Ohio, and my PhD from Kent State University. I've spent about 39 years in higher education. I'm retired now, and spent 20 years at Malone University teaching, coaching. I was the head women's cross and track coach for a while. We moved to Idaho, where I was the athletic director at Northwest Nazarene University. Primary to my duties was to transition the university from NAI to NCAA Division II. From there we came back to Ohio, and I worked at Baldwin Wallace University in the Cleveland area. And then I ended up with my last 10 years at Olivet Nazarene University in Bourbonnais, Illinois, about an hour south of Chicago. I served as the chair of the Department of Exercise and Sports Science and assistant athletic director. I retired about 2 years ago. We moved to Columbus, Ohio, which was my home, and moved to be closer to our grandchildren, who subsequently moved to Florida. I'm looking forward to working with you in this period of time with this class, and I'm looking forward to listening and watching the videos that you put up. Thanks so much, and look forward to working with you.